guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I just went missing for quite some time. I am so sorry for that. I'm just trying to keep up with all the workload that I have. Also, I have two websites that I have to look after, and then I have a lot of Instagram content. By the way, I post on Instagram every single day, so please follow me there if you haven't already. Today we are going to talk about some product empties. Now these are the products I have finished recently, like last month or last to last month. I have been saving them up, like all the empty bottles, to make this video today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first product that I have here is my favorite Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin. I have talked about this a lot of times previously on my Instagram and also on my YouTube channel in my previous videos. I swear by this product. Now this is one product I started using while I was in my school. After using this for like a few years, I actually started noticing a brightening effect on my underarms. I had dark underarms when I was in school because of shaving. That is what I think, because friction can really make your underarms dark. So this is what kept it moisturized and also reduced the darkening. My underarms are very flawless right now. They are not dark at all. Go watch my Instagram wherein I have made a few videos on DIY recipes for lightening dark underarms. You will see a change in my underarm tone for sure. This is a very good product, highly recommend. Right now I am trying out the Dove Even Tone Roll-On, but I am not that impressed with it. But it is a very good moisturizing roll-on deodorant. Also, I haven't used it that long, so I cannot really comment on that yet. But this is something you need to really try. The next product is actually a face wash, and it is for all skin types. This one is the Garnier Gentle Soothing Face Wash. This was a teeny tiny tube and it retailed for only 59 rupees, and I got it in sale, which was I think 30 rupees or something. I'm not sure, but this is very affordable. Itne paise mein aur kya milega. This is very gentle, great for all skin types. I have acne prone combination skin, in case you're wondering. Go for this. Coming to the next product, it is not available in India yet. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I am so unhappy and so sad that this one got over. This is a superb setting spray. If I have to choose just one setting spray, this would be it. It used to make my makeup last all day long, not even kidding. This is just the best. I used to use this also on bare skin before applying makeup. Then I used to do like a little spray while my foundation was still wet on my skin before blending the foundation, and then after the final makeup. This is the best. If you are able to get your hands on this one, I would highly recommend you get it. Now the next product is also a setting spray. I got the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Setting Spray in a PR package from Nykaa, and I have almost finished this. This is a very good makeup setting spray, quite affordable, makes your makeup last all day long and all of that. Next up we have the Sugandha Squalene Cleansing Oil. You can see the condition of this bottle. ये actually बहुत ही पुराना लग रहा है, but because of the oil इसका ये सब निकला हुआ है. So I really love this cleansing oil. It is so gentle, does not irritate the eye, removes waterproof mascara. Every single makeup and every single dirt on your skin will be removed by this product, and I'm so happy it contains squalene. Squalene oil is also something I have tried in the past, and I'm so happy that a cleansing oil has squalene in it. So highly recommend. Next product is an obvious product. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation. This is the only foundation I go back every single time. I might try a lot of other foundations, also foundations that I receive in the PR packages. I finish them up, I like them, and then I have to go back to this one because girl, I cannot do without this. This is great for combination acne prone skin. I'm not even kidding. It gives medium coverage. This is not full coverage, so if you have dark spots, you might want to use a concealer underneath, but I highly recommend. The finish is just so beautiful. You will love this worth every penny. Now the next product is the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Cleanser. Quite an expensive face wash, I would say, but it is very good. It does not dry out my skin. It just feels very milky, creamy, hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. It is a really good face wash, but I wouldn't be repurchasing this because yaar itna mehenga kaun lega wapas. But if you don't mind spending, please go for this. Next up we have an aloe vera gel. This is the Plum Hello Aloe Just Gel. I have finished the entire jar. I also have a second jar now. I have used this in a lot of DIYs. I have used this after waxing, after shaving on my face, as a body lotion, as a face cream mixed with an essential oil or carrier oil. I have used this on my head. I have used this in so many different ways. Let me know if you want to see a video specifically on this, like just different ways I like using this aloe vera gel. Let me know in the comments and I'll do it for you. Next up we have a bathing bar. This is the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Bathing Bar. Now this is khali, it does not have any soap in it because I have finished it obviously. I just kept this box to show you in this video. This bathing bar is so good. It smells super yummy. You might feel like having coffee after you have a bath with this. I think that's all that I had to show you in my product empties. I have also like finished some products that I like just मैंने इसको फेंक दिया. I totally forgot to save it. Also some products I didn't really like, so I didn't want to include them in this video. So I think we are done with today's video. Please let me know in the comments what more would you like to see, because I am just really trying to, you know, make YouTube videos very regularly. I just want to do that. I love filming these videos, but just that I do not have time, but I am going to schedule all my videos regularly. So I hope this video was helpful. Please put your product recommendations in the comments below and I shall have a look. See you all very soon. Bye guys.